All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back for some more Subnautica 2 leaks and also discoveries by the general gaming community. This one is more of a proper reveal from the game developers that they're considering working on bringing back the custom game mode that we saw in previous Subnautica games. I remember messing around with it mostly in Subnautica Below Zero, where you could tweak just about everything inside of the game, including how much damage the fish and predators in the game take from the player and other sources. So I'd say that's probably what they're going for a compromise between the people that want to murder everything, people like myself who just kind of like being able to get rid of fish that are annoying me around my base, or if I'm honest, I like to hit them with my either the tadpole or the sea moth so that I can have free lunch after I'm done driving around, and the people that really don't care or just want to have the catered experience that the Unknown Worlds team has brought with more of a pacifist approach. The jury will be out on how that actually plays out and if that'll actually intentionally be a way to let people kill fish. I know the developers kind of caved to everyone getting kind of spicy about that whole ordeal, not being able to kill things inside of the game. So I think they're going to meet us in the middle and allow us to either kill some things or it's just going to be a giant pain in the rear to kill them. So we'll have to figure that out as we go. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to share that it's been kind of hinted at by the developers that they were going to add something like that to give people the ability to deal with fish one way or the other. Although I kind of hope some of it gets incorporated into the base game in general. And there's no real guarantee that anything that they're talking about in any of these devlogs actually gets added in any specific patch in any specific order. They're going to try. They certainly have a roadmap up right now if you want to look at that online, or I'll put it up here in the video too, where you can see what's coming up in future releases. And otherwise, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.